तू स्ट्रेस तुका घालूंक लागलो तू कितें स्ट्रेस हेल्मेट ते आमची
स्टॉप करा मुका
कशाय कशी करता तरी पण लोक
कशें आहा इवन आय हॅड अ मिटींग विथ पार्किंग कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ऑल्सो येस्टरडे आमी ताका सांगलेलें आहा की तुमचे ते पार्किंग अपॉयंट केल्ले आसा तांकां एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिवन प्रॉपर पार्किंग प्लेसीर पार्किंग कर म्हणून इफ वी फायंड एनीबडी हू हॅज पार्क इन नो पार्किंग झोन जाल्यार आमी ताका चलन इश्यू करता एवरी डे वी हॅव अ नायट स्टाफ ऑल्सो हू इज ऑन रुटीन पेट्रोलिंग इन द सिटी
तरी पण आयकना म्हणून थोडे लोक तुमकां
पळय कशें आयकना म्हणल्यार आमी मॅक्सिमम हे करता टुरिस्ट आहे थोडे सो दे आर कायंड ऑफ हेजिटंट म्हणजे ते म्हणटा आमी टुरिस्ट आमकां वी आर नॉट अवेर बट स्टील देन वी डू प्रॉपर एनफोर्समेंट आमी चलन घालता तांकां
कोणच्यान ड्रायव्ह केल्या तुमी ट्रॅफिक डिपार्टमेंटान कितें
आयज जो ड्रायव्ह केला इट इज विथ कंबायंड एफर्ट ऑफ PI पेंजीम पोलीस स्टेशन, PI ट्रॅफिक सेल पेंजीम, SDPO पेंजीम एंड डिवायस फीड ट्रॅफिक सेल. तर आमी हो कंटिन्यूस दवरतलो डिफरंट प्लेसीस इन पेंजीम. आयज दीस पॉयंट इज व्हेरी स्ट्रॅटेजीक पॉयंट कारण हांगा ट्रॅफिक पास आउट जाता आसल्यार सो व्हेरी मॅसेज वील गो टू पीपल की वी आर चॅकिंग व्हेकल्स फॉर डिफरंट वायलेशन्स आणि बाकीचे इंटरनल वायलेशन जे जातात सिटीन ते चालूच आसा. दॅट ॲक्शन इज बींग टेकन बट दीस वील कॉमेन्स इन फूल स्केल. काल आमी पेडणे गेले, ताचे पयलीं म्हापसा केल्या, वास्को सुद्दां जाल्या. सो आय थिंक दीस वील गो ऑन एवरीवेअर इन गोवा वी सिलेक्टेड प्लेसीस. नाव वी विल डू इट इन सरप्राईज चेक्स ऑल्सो ड्युरिंग डे टायम, नाईट टायम, आफ्टरनून टायम. The PI's concern will come together and they will do it and book the tickets.
Sir, this drive is only for the helmet only because we have seen a lot of people.
See, basically you have seen the cause of accidents. Basically it is negligence, but not wearing helmet is the primary cause, if you all agree. So this is basically now what is visible violation, not wearing a helmet. What you are seeing now, people are wearing helmet, not wearing straps also. So it is common sense. The person has to understand this. Tinted glasses also going to be booked. Without seat belts also going to be booked. So different overspeeding also is there, which will book. Modified bikes will be booked. So everything will be looked into.
So how much fine you people are taking the person who is not wearing the strip?
Helmet? No, helmet.
Not the helmet.
1,000 rupees. Irrespective of, if you don't wear a strip, it is 1,000. Not wearing helmet. It will be considered as not wearing helmet.
अवेअरनेस बी गरजेचे आसा.
स्कूल्स, एज्युकेशन, सगळे इन्स्टिट्यूशन सगळे आमचे विजीट करतात. मागीर अवेअरनेस प्रोग्राम जातात आणि तुम्ही कितले अवेअरनेस करतात पेपरार. वॉट एल्स डू यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम द पीपल. जेन्ना आमी सिंपल थिंग वेन यू नो दॅट यू हॅव टू हॅव युअर ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर, देन यू शूड ऑल्सो नो टू वेअर युअर हेल्मेट, कॅरी युअर लायसन्स अँड बी सेफ सो दॅट अदर पीपल्स लाईफ्स आर सेफ.
सर पूण इतके जे तुम्ही वायलेटरांक धरून ट्रॅफिक फायन आहे घालून हेवी फायन जाले आता 1,000 रुपीज इतके घालून सुद्दां वायलेशन चालूच आसा. सो कितें कॉज दिसता?
इट इज समथिंग लाईक दिस. यू आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन लाईक कोविड आयलेत न्ही, वॅक्सीन ऑल्सो केम. So it will keep on coming. It is up to the person to decide to wear mask or not. If you don't wear a mask, you get a fine. So we will continue enforcing it. It is up to the persons to decide whether they want to fall prey to fatal accident or they will follow the rules. And jenna rules follow kelya, I think fatalities have reduced. You can see in any state in India.
So what about the drunk and driving? Alcometer is not there.
That is, alcometers are there. They are being used regularly as and when the cases are reported. Like in Perne, yesterday we have booked a case. Your report was on eBay there. We found a person under drunk and driving.
So yesterday we have seen one foreigner who was violating the traffic.
Yeah, he has been tracked and he has been booked by the concerned PI traffic sir. No, we have enough alcometers. That figure I'll give you. I'm not carrying it with me. But in North District, I think we got about 8 to 10 or more than that. There is enough alcometers with us, and the cases are being booked as and when we are noticed. See, we will not know who is drunk unless until we check like this. Now if I check this guy, normally you know if he's drunk or not drunk because he can ride his vehicle, he can balance himself. So I don't think we require 100 alcometers to book cases. Minimally we can understand one leg test is there which US is using. We can work on that and trace those people.
तर ते फोर व्हीलरचे वीज भायर काडटा पळय ताका किती फायन आहा?
Modification. I'll give you the list. We attach the vehicle, submit a report to the court.
So what message you like to give?
Message is simple: save your life, save life of others. Wear your helmets, wear your seat belts, drive safely, and enjoy all the amenities provided by the government. Good roads, good parks, good beaches, good functions which are being organized, and keep your life safe.
कितके दीस चलतली आतां कितके दीस चलतली?
Continuously.
कित्याक फाटीं पळय तुमी ड्रंक अँड ड्रायव्हची हे मदीं स्टार्ट केली आनी आतां ती मदीं बंद जाली.
ना.
ॲक्सिडंट
29,000 केसीस बुक झाल्या. 29,000 सो फार. आय थिंक कालचे धरून 30,000 क्रॉस झाल्या. 30,000 cases have been.
ड्रिंक अँड ड्राईव्ह?
There will be 30,000 cases include rash and negligent, mobile, using a mobile without helmet, without seat belts, drinking, driving, tinted glasses, over speeding, all sorts of things.
So how much fine has been collected in this day?
It is gone in a day. Yesterday only we have collected say 200 cases in Pernem. We multiply by 1,000 minimal one down 2 lakhs per day. So that much suspension of license.
गांवांनी आता तुम्ही हे करतले?
सगळीकडे चालू आहे. बिचोली, कलांगूट, अंजुना, सगळीकडे भिजले. कोस्टल बेल्ट एव्हरीवेअर.
So without strip कितली फाईन आती?
It is see, without strap is as good as you are not wearing a helmet.
Okay.
Because see, if you don't wear strap, you will come out in case of an accident. Okay? So you have to wear strap. That is compulsory.
So